isopropyl alcohol and a cut Q-tip. This is too much, like I don't even need that much. It's really just less than a drop, like nothing. And you, show you this is enough. And you just put it on the switch. This is the one. And just rape that switch like this. So it goes inside. It's not a permanent solution. It'll last for a couple of months. This lasted for about 5 months. So up to 1.5 years this is gonna do. I've already done it like 2 times and it helped, so it's not something I'm making up. It's actually working, yeah. And please excuse this swinging of the camera. It's this temporary setup I had to put because the sun is going down, so I really had to do this, so at least I could share it, yeah. And this is a precious dirt, by the way. So it should be fixed. The isopropyl alcohol evaporates by its own, so yeah, I do a little more just to so just isopropyl alcohol and a Q-tip and temporary solution. You should be good for a few months. Thanks for watching.